The perfect 10-minute morning routine for all-day energy. You don't need a complicated ritual. Just 10 minutes each morning can recharge your body, sharpen your mind, and center your focus. Ever feel rushed before the day even begins? This 10-minute routine is fast, simple, and powerful. Do it every day, and your energy will never be the same. Minute 122. Hydrate. Drink 12 to 16 after sleep. Add lemon if you want a detox boost. Hydration powers digestion, mood, and metabolism. Minute 3 to 4. Breathwork. Do 30 deep belly breaths or a few rounds of box breathing. Oxygen floods your system. Your brain lights up. Stress down. Focus up. Minute 5 to 6. Stretch. Gentle stretches for your spine, hips, neck, and wrists. You release overnight tightness and increase blood flow. Minute 7 to 8. Gratitude. Write down 3 things you're grateful for. It shifts your mind toward positivity and rewires your brain for calm and confidence. Minute 9 to 10. Visualize. Close your eyes and mentally walk through your ideal day. Feel the focus, the wins, the clarity. You've already seen success. Now live it. 10 minutes. No excuses. Stack these 5 habits, and your mornings will transform your entire day.